Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. Let's start. Hexagon. We are drawing hexagon kids. It's a hexagon shape. Hexagon. Now we are drawing semicircle. It's a semicircle shape, kids. Semicircle. Now we are drawing pentagon. What is this?
Pentagon.
It's a pentagon shape, kids. Pentagon. Now it's a circle. We are drawing circle shape, kids. Circle. Heart. We are drawing heart shape, kids.
We are drawing heart shape cube.
Heart.
Heart.
Now we are drawing rhombus.
Now we are drawing rhombus.
It's a rhombus shape.
The rhombus is
What is this?
rhombus.
Rhombus. Now learn some colors, kids. Look at this. It's a very nice and cute colors. Let's learn. First green color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, pink color, purple color, sky blue color, gray color. Look at this. Cerulean blue color. Cerulean blue color, vermilion color, vermilion color, light violet color, light violet color, azalea purple color, azalea purple color, kids. Black color, black color, turquoise blue color, turquoise blue color. Now learn 2D shapes. Hexagon, semicircle, pentagon, circle, heart, rhombus. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.